pandemică este una netipică și de aceea structurarea unui răspuns pentru această criză în comun cu partenerii de dezvoltare este într-adevăr foarte importantă în sectorul întreprinderilor mici și mijlocii, care, după cum cunoașteți, deține o pondere extrem de importantă în economia Moldovei. Contribuția întreprinderilor mici și mijlocii asupra PIB-ului, asupra creierii locurilor de muncă, asupra veniturilor populației este extrem de importantă. De la începutul pandemiei, Guvernul Republicii Moldova a lansat un set de măsuri de ordin fiscal, financiar, ca subvenții și administrativ. Cunoașteți că au fost stopate controalele asupra sectorului întreprinderilor mici și mijlocii.
The analysis reveals how dramatic is the impact on specific sectors. Across all analyzed sectors, there are several emerging insights related to the problems in accessing capital, affecting supply chains, high level of uncertainty and multiple bureaucratic barriers, limited capacities to adapt to the new realities, among others.
The pandemic has a different impact on industries in scope, and the level of sales, for instance, declined for all the sectors, but by far the most affected industry during the second quarter of 2020 was hospitality. The non-food wholesale and retail trade were affected by the decrease of consumption during lockdown. The reduced passengers' mobility and reduced demand for goods affected the transportation, with a decrease of passengers traffic by almost 50% in the second quarter compared to the same period of 2019.
First, these are tax measures that had been already implemented, and given that everybody, almost all respondents in all surveys mentioned tax measures as essential measures to help them surviving through COVID.
All the participants agreed that one of the main challenges faced by the interviewed companies are related to the impediments of access to finance. So our group unanimously decided to voice the following proposals as following: credit payment deferral for SMEs, providing preferential interest loans and governmental guarantees for SMEs, elaboration and implementation of a credit program for companies, for SMEs, by increasing the guarantee fund up to 1 billion leis. Also to support SMEs in digitalization processes.
Of course, we have listed quite a generous list of reforms that need to the Moldovan government need to embark into and to ensure and facilitate export onto the market. This is, of course, rule of law. This is food safety. This is digitalization of certain permissive acts which can be easily obtained by SMEs in order to be able to export. This is about certain provisions of the customs codes and, of course, infrastructure-related issues.
The idea behind digitization is basically not a myth anymore. The COVID-19 has shown that the accent on digitization and innovation can make a change and better prepare the businesses and the society overall in meeting any kind of expectations in general in life.
Some of our participants say that we need a discussion, separate discussion, more extended that was in this group. And another one was about to use that tools which was produced by the international organization and the local business association, which is supporting enterprises related to the business continuity, related to the returning to the workplaces, related, mentioned mostly safety and health at the workplace.
este important și este clar că acest plan de COVID va fi, de fapt, pe două direcții: agenda de reforme și investiții.